Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove forgotten password, PIN or pattern or hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Guys, if you forget your phone password and you don't know about the phone password and you want to unlock your phone, so I am giving you the method, but it will erase all your data and it will reset your phone. So firstly, as you guys know that the power button or any key isn't working right now as the phone is locked, so we have to insert the data cable. Okay, after that just click on emergency call. Now all you guys have to do, just long press volume down button and power button. Okay, just press. Now when the phone is turned off, you have to release it and then press power button and volume up button. Now just leave this button, power button, and press volume up button for some time. So as you see, this window appear on my screen. Now take off the charger here, and as you guys know that the touch isn't working right now, so we have to use the keys. So power button key for selection and volume up and volume down for direction. So we have to go to wipe data and reset. So just press volume down button to come on wipe data and reset, and then press power button here. Okay, now on the other window we have wipe all user data. So yes, we want to factory data reset. Just press on volume down button and then press on power button, so that all the data will be now wiped. Your phone will be reset, and then just press power button key to reboot your system. Okay, so as you can see, the device is now restarting and all your data will be erased. So this one is a half step, by the way. Now I'm going to tell you the next step. Okay guys, now we are going to do the setup, but as you guys see, we have a lock icon here. That means the phone is still locked. So on the next step, I'm going to tell you the method how to unlock your device. Firstly, you have to select your language here, then click start. Now agree all the options and then click agree here. Okay, now I am using setup manually option. So yes, using setup manually option. Now we have to select the network here. By the way, I'm using the barcode scanner. Okay. Okay guys, now at this point it record your password again, but as we know that we don't know about the password, so you have to click on use my Google account instead. So when you tap here, you have to re-enter the Google account which you already sign in at that device. So just enter that Google account here. Okay, after that click next here and then enter the password. Okay, now click next here. If you want to use new account, you can click on use new account, and if you want to use that previous account, so you can click on add previous account. Now as you see, the lock icon is now hide. That's mean the phone is now unlocked and you can use your phone freely. Let me show you again. So let me clear you. Just don't restore it. If you want to restore, you can still restore it. Skip the pattern right now. Now it record your Samsung account also, but I don't want to sign in my Samsung account right now. So just tap on the forget password or don't have any account, and then click on setup later in settings. Click skip here. Click all options. Agree. Use any mode just for your. Okay, after that just click finish, and that is it. So as you guys see, the phone is now completely reset, and the password, pin or pattern XYZ which you set for your lock screen and you forgot, so it will be unlocked by this method. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.